Welcome. This video will guide you through activating, calibrating, and using the Autopilot features in your Tesla Model 3, focusing on lane assist. Autopilot enhances driving safety and convenience, but remember, it requires your full attention. As of late 2025, Autopilot V12.5 is standard on most new Model 3s, offering improved handling and pedestrian detection. First, let's enable Autopilot. On your Model 3 touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Autopilot. Toggle the Autopilot option to On. Note that Autopilot is enabled by default on new Model 3s post-2023. To engage Autopilot features, the car must be in motion, the driver must possess a valid license, and the car must pass a self-check to ensure proper sensors are available. Full self-driving (FSD) requires a paid subscription for models pre-2024. Tesla's Autopilot operates as Level 2 autonomy according to SAE standards. This classification means the system can simultaneously control both steering and speed, but it critically requires active driver supervision throughout the entire driving experience. Built-in safety checks ensure drivers remain engaged. The system uses hand-on-wheel detection sensors, cabin cameras for visual monitoring, and provides audible and visual alerts if your attention appears to wane. If you don't respond to prompts, Autopilot will automatically disengage. Driver responsibilities are paramount with Level 2 autonomy. Keep your hands lightly on the steering wheel, remain fully alert, and monitor the driving environment continuously. Be ready to take immediate control at any moment, and avoid all distracting activities like using phones or eating. Remember, Autopilot enhances safety, but cannot replace human judgment and vigilance. Safety remains the top priority. Tesla's training materials and legal disclaimers emphasize that Autopilot is not autonomous driving and cannot replace a vigilant driver. The system may have limitations in complex scenarios, so always stay alert and be prepared to intervene. Calibration is essential for accurate lane detection in your Tesla Model 3. Without proper alignment, the sensors may not correctly identify lane markings, leading to potential safety issues. The Autopilot system uses advanced AI to perform self-calibration automatically during your initial drives. This ensures all sensors are properly aligned without needing a visit to the service center. To initiate calibration, drive your vehicle at a speed between 25 and 45 miles per hour on a straight road that has clear, visible lane markings on both sides. The calibration process typically completes automatically within 5 to 10 minutes when driving under optimal conditions, such as clear weather and daytime visibility. Before calibration, ensure your vehicle has the latest software updates by checking the Tesla app on your phone. Updates can improve calibration accuracy. Avoid attempting calibration in adverse weather conditions such as rain, fog, snow, or low visibility, as these can interfere with sensor accuracy. If sensors are miscalibrated, the system may exhibit erratic behavior, such as incorrect lane keeping. Always monitor your sensor health through the vehicle's touchscreen to ensure optimal performance. Lane Assist is a core function within Tesla's Autopilot system. It helps keep your Model 3 centered in its lane using cameras and steering inputs. You'll see it working as you drive, with the car automatically adjusting to stay within lane markings. You'll find Lane Assist options within the Autopilot settings on your touchscreen. It activates automatically when cruise control is engaged and clear lane markings are detected by the cameras. Auto lane change is also available, allowing your car to safely merge into adjacent lanes when you activate your turn signal. Keep in mind that Lane Assist doesn't function below 30 miles per hour or on roads without clear lane markings. Always stay alert. While Autopilot is a powerful tool, it has limitations. It can struggle in adverse weather conditions like heavy rain or snow. Be aware of potential calibration issues, which can occur due to damaged windshields or sensor obstructions. Real-world cases have shown that driver error compounded by over-reliance on the system can lead to accidents. Always be prepared to intervene. The trend is towards more seamless integration of Autopilot with full self-driving FSD capabilities. Future updates promise city-street navigation with less driver input. AI advancements, such as transformer models, are improving the prediction of other vehicles' behaviors. By 2030, experts predict Autopilot could achieve Level 4 autonomy on highways. Surveys indicate 65% of Tesla owners want expanded FSD, but safety concerns persist. Experts from organizations like AAA and SAE International emphasize Autopilot's potential to reduce driver workload, but they stress the importance of education and vigilance to prevent over-reliance. Tesla reports over 3.5 billion miles driven with Autopilot engaged, with a high percentage of these interventions being safe and uneventful. Independent studies have shown that lane assist can reduce lane departure accidents by up to 25% in Tesla vehicles. According to Tesla's safety reports, there is a lower accident rate per million miles when Autopilot is engaged under proper driver supervision. Remember to consult Tesla's official website or mobile app for the latest updates on Autopilot features, and always prioritize safety by following local laws and maintaining driver vigilance.